If you are as sick as me, hopefully you have already finished all of your shopping and can go ahead and sew some Christmas bags. To do this, I like to cut out two squares along the bottom, which is going to form a flat base when I sew it. I put my right sides together and then I sew the side, the bottom, and the other side, leaving that square apart. And you can also do it on a serger with more stretchy fabrics. Now you're going to take that square, pinch it apart into a straight line like a Muppet mouth, and then cruelly silence that Muppet forever by sewing across that line. It creates this really great flat bottom for holding gifts. Now we're going to make a casing for a ribbon and a space for that ribbon to come out. And my favorite way to do it is to use the buttonhole maker on my machine, rip it open, and then just fold over the casing and sew all the way around. And another way to do it is to just mark a space on the casing that you're not going to sew, and then the ribbon will come directly from that open spot to create a drawstring effect. Finally, pull your ribbon through with a safety pin, and here is the finished result. Merry Christmas!